All right. So I've been asked to do number 6. So this is really looks like a Pythag question. And I can't really do this accurately. It does say draw a scale diagram estimating answers to the question. I've got a straight paper, so I can't do this. You're going to have to work it out yourself, but I'll show you what you would do. So 6A, motorboat travels from a launching ramp for 6 kilometers on a bearing of 060. So here's a point here, 6 kilometers, so here's north, 60 degrees. So 60 degrees is approximately, what's it, I'll get it just approximately, yeah, about there, yeah. So 60 degrees to a buoy. Okay, so 60 degrees, 6 kilometers. So I'll just go like that and go like that. Say that's 6 kilometers, 6 kilometers. There we are. And that's the buoy, B-O-U-Y. Wait, or B-U-O-Y. I never know how to spell it because not a word I use that much. It then changes direction of travels on a direction 8 kilometers at a bearing of 270. Sorry, 290. So it's going to hit, that's north again. 290 is, or 270 is that way. So 290 is this way here. So it's going to go 290. How far does it go? 8 kilometers. So we're going to kind of be off the page here a bit. So there is a bearing of about 290. Yeah. And we end up over here somewhere. Yeah. What's the approximate distance in a straight line from the launching ramp to the island? So your job is to say, okay, so what is that distance there? That's the distance you've got to find. And what you need to do is have a look at these angles. Is one of those a right angle? Be kind of useful to know if it were. We do know, though, that this bit here is 60. And of course, this is angles inside a triangle. So this is 290. And we know that this bit here, think about that for a moment, is going to be 360 minus 290. So, in fact, I'm just thinking, no, that's fine. So 360 minus 290 is going to be 70. So this little bit here is going to be 70. So your job is to work out how we can use all this to find, it says how far is the distance from here to here. So you can have a play with that. I can't do that, as I say, I can't measure things on paper like this, but that would be the strategy, and that's the general sense of what you're doing. What is the bearing of the island from the launching ramp? So here is the island from the launching ramp. So in other words, what is the bearing from, let's have a look. So, well, there's the island. Yes, the island is that thing there, yeah? And it says, what's the bearing of the island from the launching ramp? So the launching ramp is going to be here. So that's the LR, the launching ramp. So you want the bearing of here, yeah? Now, again, this is wildly inaccurate, so you're going to have to draw that accurately. Draw it accurately and see how that plays out. All right, the bearing of the ship from the boat is 50 degrees. Of a ship from a boat is 50 degrees. Calculate the bearing of the boat from the ship. So, bearing of a ship from a boat. So, here's a boat. I'll just go boat. Boat is north and 50 degrees. Let's say that's 50. And we're now said, so that's the boat, and that is from a boat. So it's from the boat to the ship. The ship's over here. And now the question is, calculate the bearing of the boat from the ship. So we're now doing it the other way around. So there's the ship, and we're now going to go the other way around. So we're wanting that bearing there. And again, very straightforward. To calculate this bit here, we're going to say, let's going to subtract, in fact, I'll do it the other way around. So this bit here is going to be 130 degrees because these two must be co-interior and they must add up to 180. If that's 130 and we had 360, we take away the 130, we're going to end up with 230. So this must be a bearing of 230 degrees. And that's how we would calculate that. And that was number 7. Oops. My pen is longer than the page. This is from the page to the camera, so it means that the pen goes right up into the camera. So that's why I keep knocking it. It's a real nuisance. Okay, hopefully that makes sense. But that's the strategy. The main thing is not me doing it. It's the strategy for you to do it. So have a shot at that. And again, that's exercise 18.03, question 6A and 7. Good luck. Have a go.